PlayStation 5 unboxing. Coming right up. This is the Horizon Edition Forbidden West. Yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, we got the white interior to where the handle is. Let's remove this. Here we have it, pulled out of the box. Let's remove the padding. Alongside you have your Horizon Forbidden West PlayStation 5 code. Super nice. I really like the artwork on it. Something you could do once you're done. Place it on your wall. Really like the detail on it. Here we have the rest of the box, including your PlayStation 5 controller. Super nice wrapping. Overall, let's check it out. How's it feel?
Feels pretty nice. In hand.
Nice buttons. I want to set it on here real quick. Let's get a quick glimpse. The manuals, just quick startup guides. Got your USB adapters, your plugs, everything you need, all the good stuff. Here we have the stand, your HDMI cable, all included. And here we go. Let's get it all going so we can get it unboxed for you guys. Pretty nice system. Got it on its side. Removed all the wrapping. Overall, pretty nice initial impression. Really like how it looks. Super sleek. Very nice. Here we have it on its side. You can see where the disc is. You got your USB ports, your USB-Cs. Going on the back, you got everything you need. Chargers, USB, and controller. All your plugs. Alright, let's finish the setup. Here we have its controller, super nice quality. Buttons, you got your D-pad, you got your charger port, super nice. Really love the white on this, complements the system really well. You have it. Next to its partner, PlayStation 4. Here we have it on its side. You can look at the different angles. Really enjoy just checking out all those curved lines. Super nice, super color, super beautiful color too. And here we have the stand and the PlayStation 4. Sweet. Here we have it fully set up with the stand. Got a cool little Hoonigan stand for it. I like it. Overall, really nice. Can't wait to play it. Highly recommend it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. For more reviews, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Till the next one. Peace.